Well, we know those responsible for keeping us safe are monitoring the forecast closely and preparing as much as they can for what's to come, which is proving a bit of a challenge when we look at this storm. Fox 5's David Kaplan giving us the pulse of power companies, departments of transportation, and what this means for you. He's live at the VDOT Salt Dome in Merrifield tonight. David, how are preps going so far?
Well, Angie, they're certainly going for sure. I'm going to step out right now. We're going to give you a live picture here. Those are trucks that have salt brine in those tanks. They are waiting for their next load of brine to go in there, and they are going to head out to pre-treat those roads and get out into the community. Now, you heard Caitlin touch on this just a second ago. We're really expecting a little bit of everything across our area, and there is still some uncertainty out there about where the rain-snow line might be, what areas are going to get more rain, what areas are going to get more snow, where will the ice be when it happens. Caitlin just laid it out as a pretty good idea, but I can tell you departments of transportation as well as power companies that I talked to are monitoring this closely and asking you to do the same. Let's talk about roads first here. We told you yesterday the Fredericksburg VDOT district is pre-treating I-95. That happened yesterday. Today, Northern Virginia was putting its brine down on the roads as well. Maryland's Department of Transportation, D.C. Public Works still messaging that they're relatively uncertain about the forecast, but are paying attention to the National Weather Service and urging you to pay attention to forecasts as well. Let's shift gears to talk about power companies for a second. I talked with Dominion here in Virginia and Smeco in Maryland today. They too are calling this an all-hands-on-deck situation. Dominion tells me they're pre-staging crews on the I-95 corridor, something they say they do not do with every storm. Now, I have to emphasize tonight, based on my conversations with the power companies, they say it is not a matter of if power outages will happen. They say it is a matter of when. They are hoping that they will not be widespread, but they are encouraging everybody watching tonight to get those devices charged overnight Saturday into Sunday and be prepared for anything as this storm makes its way to our region. Angie?
Did the power companies tell you what they're most concerned about with the storm at this point?
Yes, and Caitlin touched on this as well. The wind is a big concern, especially given the precipitation that we had last week. The ground is still somewhat wet. They're worried that the combination of that plus wind plus possible icing and snow on the trees to make them heavier, as well as power lines, is what is the real cause for concern. So something they're paying close attention to and definitely preparing for this weekend.
Yeah, and good reason for all of us to make sure that we got some batteries, some portable batteries charged, some flashlights just in case the lights go out. David Kaplan, thanks.